We're back. Just finished eating dinner. Alicia. Show me the cat, Alicia.
Throw it on, Alicia.
Hello.
Look at her face.
Merry Christmas to you soon. Your cabbage was a hit too. Your cabbage was a hit. Everybody loved that cabbage.
He did.
Especially my sister's boyfriend. She loved it. She loved it. Yeah.
Yes.
What's going on? Fine here chasing your sister with this cat. No, she just slipped out the chair, rolled on the ground and everything. Hold on.
Zoom in on that, cuz. Zoom in on that. Zoom in on that.
Andy.
That's funny, man.
Hello.
Oh, snap.
Come on. Hello. Merry Christmas, my love. May God come home. All right, that's too much. Come on, Mom.
Why y'all put the bag on and don't
I don't know. I ain't never even seen him go home.
Chasing your sister with this cat. Oh, we recorded and she's crying. Oh my God, it's so funny.
You out of breath?
Yo,
She had to go to her mama. She want her mama.
It was funny. Oh my God. It is. Did you feel yourself? You sure? Okay.
Did you
I don't know.
that ball?
Can we get the story behind the not liking of the cat?
She got followed home by a cat one day when she was pregnant. She ain't like cats since. I don't understand. Like, just followed you. She crazy. I got chased by a dog. We gonna send this video tape to Maury.
Hey, you gonna be on America's Funniest right there. You might win us $1 million.
Make some money. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
We gonna send it to America's Funniest home videos too. Alicia once said, "Oh, I'm chasing with the cat," and now she crying. I ain't crying, I'm crying.
I had a sweater. They were following. I had a red. She was teasing. And they said the pants don't like red. She was in the pants, so I didn't think he could break out. So we would every day come to school. Bully, bully, hey, bully, bully.
Oh, she didn't get it right.
Muffin, can you let me go?
Everybody, I always try to run home. Everybody else is
Nene, Andy wants you.
trying to go home.
Nene, Andy wants you. Come on.
She tell her thank you for the bite. You gotta say thank you. Can you go say thank you for your bite? Tell her thank you. Tell Andy thank you.
Thank you. Here.
Why you told you got chased by the
Hey, y'all, but she know y'all pick it with
She
it.
would have beat me to death.
Johnny.
Greg, I think your phone's going off.
It's not mine.
Johnny. Oh. Alicia, can you get my phone? It's over there by mommy.
Well, would it be red?
I don't know. Johnny. Hello.
Come
Oh
on,
my God, don't even say the word.
Chicken the face. She did.
Gerbils, nothing that looked like
no,
a rat.
nothing no rat, nigga.
I only put it on TV on the movie. I can't watch it. I have to.
Yeah, we had a hand, but we don't know what house.
Greg, come get that.
She could breathe to death.
Locked him up in the bathroom.
One time it got out.
So I sprayed Febreze in there, and that thing dead after that. I think she Febreze it. Uh-oh, we better let this down. She gonna be spoiled.
She already spoiled.
Yeah, you see that?
She already spoiled.
Thank you.
When we was in the hospital, she didn't want to lay down. Every time we laid her down, she got mad. Stopped
Oh, that's no good.
That's not good.
That is no good. That's hard on somebody. Me. Hey, tell y'all.
Teresa, we always had to be like this. We couldn't be like this. We had to be. I'd be cooking in the kitchen. I'd have to keep her right so I could cook. Until I discovered she liked music, and I'd sit her in front of the stereo, and she was kicking. So if I wanted to do something, I'd sit her in front of the stereo and turn on Donald.
Hey, girl. Act like Jeanette and Usher, and now
She's sitting there and kicking her little seat.
Oh, wow, that's
And
funny.
turn it over. I go in there to see the baby.
I remember that song.
that was better.
Don't pick me.
Bad girls, that explains why you are the way you are.
Paulette just gave me a bus pass. Like, I'm a nice, innocent, wholesome girl.
Yes, you are, honey.
What's his mean, Janelle? Look, Janelle's waiting.
Nathan, come on.
Little bot.
Muffin. Muffin.
Hey. Domestic violence.
You want me to put you in the corner?
Both of them been in the corner.
You can get in Janae's corner. You can get in Javon's corner. That's Johnny's corner.
Okay, Greg, what's your corner?
This chair right here.
Johnny's gonna sit in Mama's chair. Angelo!
Shoot me first.
This is
What
how
is
you
wrong
know
with
they
you
are
two?
12. That's how you know. That's why they both need to be at the children's table.
Okay, one sit on that side and one sit on this side.
You want to sit close together, sit apart.
Right? Lord, help you.
Okay, separate. You over there.
Like Janae and Javon.
There's something happened that get hurt. Ooh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean that. You don't play like that, I'm sorry. You don't play like that. At least not in front of me, okay? You want to play like that? Don't play in front of me like that. Shoot me first. I don't care.
Boy.
Somebody can do it.
That's them kids.
You slip your head in the stomach or something, all you can say is, I'm sorry. It's going to be too late to say, I'm sorry.
You done?
They're gonna be ready.
You is gonna get a beating.
She done had a whole story for us over here.
Now she had a little sip of something. You gotta get grandma a sip of
You
something.
know?
She need to
I
calm
think that's
down.
what she was looking for. You gotta give you a shot, Grandma.
Javon, you hit my baby.
J-Mom trying to take her out.
He was trying to get
We
me
gonna take your tools away.
Oh, she bleeding.
Wait.
What is wrong with your pants?
Who bleeding?
He got a belly one. She's bleeding around her head.
No, she's not.
No, she's not. She's red behind
Oh, she's red. But she's not bleeding for too much.
Nation.
Yeah, Ma, you need some of
You
that.
have to be so
after that,
close.
chasing that cat. Yeah.
You have to be so close. Sing a song for me. Back up a little bit.
Everybody.
Sing it.
Go get the Beyonce CD, Nene, and show them how it's done.
You gonna sing?
Sing.
Sing a song.
Where is it? Sing this. I guess.
It's in my car. You gotta have Auntie Alicia or somebody go get it.
Sing it.
Go ask somebody to go get this song.
You take me to the
We have to drink.
No!
It's in the cabinet.
All right, I'm going.
First time.
When's the first time guest? Oh,
What do you want, Kevin? What do Kevin like?
we ain't got nothing but Patron.
Paul Masson.